Hey guys, on the DJI Mini 3 Pro, I'm gonna show you how to download the photos and videos that you took from with your drone to your phone, so you can share, you can edit it. Because right now this is accessing the SD card right here on the drone. Some of the footage on the drone itself. Yeah, so if you want to download it, it's gonna ask download file not supporting in current remote controller, connect phone to aircraft to download. So I'm gonna show you. You cannot download right here, right? Because it's not connected to your phone. So you have to download the DJI app on your phone. On the App Store, on the Play Store, you can download the DJI app. Then you wanna connect to the Bluetooth right here. I'm gonna show you in this tutorial. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. This is how you can transfer your photos and videos from your DJI Mini 3 Pro drone to your phone, so you can share on social media and edit it. You want to go to your Bluetooth on your phone and then connect to the drone right here. So this drone is called DJI drone, and it's going to take a little bit for it to connect. And you don't have to press just like the Mini 2 the Bluetooth connection. It's already have Bluetooth on your DJI Mini 3 Pro drone, and you launch the DJI app right now. After you connect it to the Bluetooth, once you're in the app, it will show you a switch to quick transfer mode on the drone. So it's gonna pop up on your DJI app, and you wanna hit the switch right here. Then it will show you a message to press and hold the power button on the drone for 2 seconds. Hold this button, power button on the drone for 2 seconds, and it's gonna ask to join the Wi-Fi on the drone. And so you just do that. Then it's connecting right now. Just wait for a little bit, and it's low battery right now, so you want to have full battery in order to view the files and transfer the files. So right now we have very low battery, but we can still view the album right here on the phone. So on the drone, so you can like browse the files right here on the drone like this. This is cool. And so you can download as well. I'm gonna show you. This is a panorama, and show you just right here. So it's not playing right now. You want to download onto your phone before you can play. So it won't allow you to play right on the drone because this is a big file. And so you want to sync to the photo album, or you want to save to the app album only. Get this picture right here. You want to download it. You hit the download, and it's gonna sync to album. Okay, so download it to app album. So once you go to app album, you're gonna see it here. That's the picture that we saved from the drone. So you can also save it to your album. So when you save to the app album, it doesn't mean it's saved to the photo album on your phone. It's done. So you can save to app album only, or you can save to phone album, sync to phone album, save to your phone album. Okay, so that's how you download. You guys, so it's saved to the phone photo album. So right now, as you can see, this is the image is in my folder now, and you can play it. And this is nice. You can share it on Facebook, Instagram, and so on. I'm going to show you another way. If you don't see the switch quick transfer mode here pop up, you just go to the album by hitting the album right here. If you don't see it, you go on the top right, there's a lightning icon, and you want to tap on that. That's to initiate the quick transfer mode connection, and it's going to ask you which drone you want to connect to. If it finds a drone, make sure it's powered on, and once you tap on it, it's going to ask you to join the Wi-Fi on the drone. This is the DJI drone, it's connecting, and you view album, and it's going to show you all the files right here on the drone. So if you guys tap on the lightning icon on the top right, you're going to switch to flight mode. So it's going to disconnect your mobile device, your phone, from the aircraft, so you can connect the remote control to the aircraft. Alright, if you guys like this video and find it helpful, please give a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video. Bye guys.